Hello friends and followers, this is the BC-348-Q aircraft radio from a B-17 in World War II. Anyway, I've been working on the BFO, as you know, and I put on this capacitor finally to allow it to be adjusted into center frequency. This thing runs at around 915. I'm seeing it around 912 kilohertz. My IFs could be off. Anyway, I have a way to adjust this now to be on frequency and get it working. This has been all day, 8 hours, 6 hours. It's been a real hell of a day getting this thing working, but it is working. The oscillator has always been kind of screechy, so that might need investigation. I'm not sure I want to investigate it because it takes so much time fixing these things. But anyway, you can view this knob here and see that notch. So this notch is to prevent this mechanism here, which this is a mechanism. This is about 2.5 turns lock to lock, and there's no lock in this thing at all. You'll just break it. So if you keep cranking this thing, seeking for VFO or BFO center, you'll break it. So they have this little lock in here. And so what you want to do is get this thing lined up on some carrier. There's the carrier. Make sure it's on, and then line it up so that it's centered. So there's one side, there's the other. Get it right in the middle, and then simply put the knob on with this thing, this stop straight up. So stop straight up. How do we know it's straight up? Okay, well, we line it up with that little tab there and just throw the knob on there and tighten it. So that's what that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll see how it works. I can't do it with one hand. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.